Hi, this is Tiffany with My Florida Dreams. Today we're at 7616 Desoto Drive, Ellington, Florida. This home is located in Colony Cove, a 55+ community. This is a waterfront home. We are standing here in the living room. We have a great size living room. New blinds on all the windows, updated ceiling fan and light fixture. We have gorgeous vinyl plank floors throughout the home. Standing in the eating kitchen, we have brand new stainless steel appliances. They are Samsung. We have a double-sided sink and faucet, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. This home does come unfurnished. Making our way down the hallway, we have built-in storage here in the hallway, and we have a gorgeous sliding barn door into the guest bathroom. Stackable washer and dryer for your convenience. A step-in shower with a sliding glass door. Nice size vanity with storage underneath. This is the third bedroom. Currently it's being used as a man cave. You can make this into an office, a craft room, a bedroom, or leave it as it is, as a man cave. All the bedrooms have light fixtures and ceiling fans and good sized closets. Making our way into the second bedroom. As you can see, it accommodates a queen size bed comfortably with plenty of room to still move around. And we got the lake view here out the window. Also, the AC is new. The roof is shingled. Again, this home is a 2012, and it shows beautifully. We're going to make our way down to the master bedroom. We have a double-sided closet. Nice size room here. Again, another gorgeous barn door into the bathroom. We have a step-in shower and a nice size vanity. Toilets have been updated and are brand new. Making our way out into the side lanai. Nice screen lanai. You can sit out here and enjoy your morning coffee. Also, we are very close, just walking distance to Harmony Hall, pool, and gym. It's where all the large events are held. This is a great location. So if you'd like to see this home, or if you have any questions regarding this home, please give me a call. My number is 941-932-0752. Thanks so much.